So I just wanted to shoot this quick video about Descript. Another reason I really love this video editing platform is because you can actually edit your videos in real time. Meaning that videos that you might have posted in a course, like let's say there's something that has changed and you want to change that video and not have to get the source video, edit it, re-upload it, put it back in your course. It could actually be updated inside of your course in real time. This is such a crazy time saver. I can't even tell you. I've been in the digital marketing business for 15 years. And just to have this feature where I don't have to go find the source file, edit the source file, I can just edit the video in real time. It is amazing. So there are two rules that you need to follow. First of all, let's say your video is in a course somewhere, like mine are in Kajabi. So when I'm putting that video inside of the course, I don't upload it to Kajabi. I embed it. So that's one of the rules. You need to always embed the videos and not upload the videos. And for another reason too, if I ever wanted to switch from Kajabi to somewhere else, it would be a nightmare if I did it that way because I would always need to save the source file. And I do a lot of video, and the more that I don't have to save and store that source file saves me a lot of problems down the road for storage because MP4 files are huge. Okay, so I want to put my videos in a trusted place, and Descript is a place that I do trust. I also trust Vimeo. I use Vimeo as well, but Descript is something that I've been using more and more because of this specific feature. So what you want to do to embed that video is use the embed code, right? That's all you need to do. What I usually do is I like to go to publish settings and I like to switch all these things off. I wish they were switched off to begin with, but I don't want all this stuff. When I post an embed code, I don't want all this stuff. I just want the video. So that's why I turned it all off. For this one, there's some bug or something. I don't know. It takes you here. I don't even know. So that's the first thing. Now, the second thing is I am doing this in real time because there's something that I wanted to remove from this video that I already posted in Kajabi. And I want to take it out because I want to change it because I don't like what I said. Okay, so I just quickly removed what I wanted to remove, but I also want to say that you could add stuff too if you want, and you can take stuff away. So let's say there is a whole paragraph I want to delete, or maybe I stumbled on my words and I just want to fix that up, clean that up. All I have to do is go to obviously the video that we embedded, and now if you click export, it realizes that there have been changes. So when I click this update button, it updates everything. So the embed code automatically updates in Kajabi without me having to go in there and re-embed anything. So this is just a huge, huge time saver and a feature that I absolutely love for Descript.